In this video, we'll take a look at some of the problems from exercise set 2.2a. Question 7. A rational function y equals ax minus 2 times x minus 4 divided by x minus b times x minus c has vertical asymptotes with equations x equals 2 and x equals 5, and a horizontal asymptote with equation y equals 4. Find a, b, and c. Very easy. B equals 2. C equals 5. Because the denominator equaling 0 is the only way we can get the vertical asymptotes. And then lastly, we're told the horizontal asymptote has equation y equals 4. Now if we expand out the function, we're going to get y equals ax squared, well, plus something x, who cares what, plus something, and then on the bottom we're going to get, well, we already know it's, well, again, the point is the thing on the bottom is going to expand out to be just x squared plus who cares x plus who cares b. And the reason why I say who cares is because when we're looking at the horizontal asymptote for a polynomial of degree 2 divided by a polynomial of degree 2, we only care about this part. And the equation of the horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals a divided by the coefficient of x squared on the bottom, which is 1. So horizontal asymptote is y equals a, which implies that a equals 4. And we're done. Question 8 says a rational function y equals x minus a times x minus b divided by x minus c times x minus d has vertical asymptotes with the equations x equals -2 and x equals 1. So c equals -2, d equals 1. And then we're also told it crosses the x-axis at 2, 0 and 4, 0. Well, if it crosses the x-axis, that's when y is equal to 0, and y equals 0 when the numerator equals 0. And so that means a equals 2 and b equals 4. And we're done with this question. And lastly, question 9 asks us to find the equation of the rational function shown here below. And we can see that there are two vertical asymptotes, so we already know it's going to look like this. It's going to be x plus 1 and x minus 2 on the bottom there. It has a horizontal asymptote, which means the degree of the polynomial on top must be the same as on the bottom, which is 2. And we also know, since that horizontal asymptote is y equals 1, the coefficient of x squared on the top has to be 1, because the coefficient of x squared on the bottom is 1. So we know it's going to look something like this: x squared plus bx plus c. And then to find b and c, I think we're allowed to use these x-intercepts. I think we're allowed to say one of the x-intercepts is -5 and the other one is 1. So clearly it's just going to be x plus 5 times x minus 1 on the top there, divided by x plus 1 times x minus 2. And we're done.